The update is coming. I swear. In Grow Garden. Sorry guys if I'm too weak. You can give me some seeds and add me if you know my channel. By the way, later I'll accept all of my friend requests. Make sure to comment your name because I might pick the wrong one. Oh no! Okay, so I went to the black hole, I jumped there, and then yeah. Update in 3 minutes by the way. And I pray that the animation, yep, we will see a animation after 3 minutes and 9 seconds. You can check the timer. I should have bought that last time when I joined the game. Should have bought the tomato there. 36. But where's the? Oh, that's the buzz update. That's the Easter event. Okay. Bro, I'm getting cold here. I need a blanket. Okay, Bryce. I'm hiding in my blanket. I'm so nervous. Oh, yo! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's my first time. Yo. Bro. I think this is my reward. I just got a vaccine. Oh my god! Bro, can you wake me up? Subscribe because I haven't have subscribers and that's my dream. And it's a dream. Shout out to Onet, our pioneer. You! Shout out! Everyone shout out to Onet! Releasing the dance. Yep. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Bye. Bro, when that happened, when it turned into 59 seconds, it just my my AC just changed. Yo. Bro. Same, bro. My hands are shaking. I hope you hear me, bro. Like, did I press something? What? The echo from? Yay! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. What? Oh my god! Oh! You!
5.
Smell that.
Uy! Oh my god. Oh! Hey! OMG. It doesn't sting him. I knew it. Wait, why is there nobody? What? Yay. Oh my god.
It's quite a piece. It kind of seems interesting.
Yay. But I got a pollinated plant. Ooh, 2 plants. Honey machine. Hey, I'm gonna collect it and check how much is it.
This one has cheese. Oh, that makes
I'm not gonna collect it. Just gonna check what. How much? 79,000. Weak! I'll just give it to the bee. Yay! Since it's kind of buddy, I will explain. Yay! So the bee is pulling it.
Wait, you can take your eyes and crazy? You live in it?
So the bee is pollinated. You take your
Gotta see you in that.
pollinated food into the main in the house. Then you will give him 10 cake food.
Chicken for your
Then he will
gravy.
give you 10 honey. Oh, you can talk to the queen bee to open the honey shop. Once again, sorry the message being uploaded. That must be a Roblox issue. This one is in. Yay. Let's see how much honey they cost.
Square ng Top Square. Na laging bagong luto na sa halagang
Can I see the shop? It's not pollinated, kid. Or can I? No. I want to trade. Oh, flower sita. What? Bee egg. Honeycomb. What is the honeycomb? Nothing. Thank you so much. Oh my god. How much? William. I'm rich. I swear to God, I'm rich. I'm rich. Oh my god. I'm selling it. I don't care. I'm selling it. Yay! I'm gonna get my cherry. Oh my god. I should give it the do 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 goo 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 goo. This. I don't care. Void touch.
Teka, ilan na ba? Ito lilinisin lang to. Sama ko na walang bill.
Just gonna give this to this.
Ilan na?
Yes.
17?
Not to sell this.
12 grand.
How much?
1,000.
Let's see what the void touches.
1,000.
Maybe 1 million. Oh,
Puno, 1,000.
okay. Not bad, but okay. What got Pauline? Okay, wait, what? 5? Oh. Star color.
Na, okay, 10 o'clock na.
No.
10 o'clock na.
8.
Uyat ka na. Tapusin mo na lang yan, ha?
Okay,
Magbabay ka na po.
so... Wait, why is that grade? What? Oh, wait. Still. Okay, see you at the next update.